at 51,000 euros, this camper van from Clever Vans is perhaps one of the cheapest camper vans on the market at the moment. And so we'll have a look inside. So it's a rather typical Citroen base. It's only 541 centimeters long. You've got a bed at the back, you've got 2 burners here, you've got, there's the sink, and is there any light in it? Oh yes, there is. So we can see things a bit better at the road now, where you've got a sink, a shower with a sink and a toilet, sensible sliding door. Note the fixed sink, and note the amount of space as well for in a small vehicle like this. That is it's appreciated by me anyway. So bed at the back here, storage on the sides. You've got 2 windows in the back doors, which I'm pretty certain won't be insulated. You've got storage down here as well, and 2 burners there. Fridge will be down here somewhere. There's the fridge. And you know, for a tiny camper, because this is a tiny camper, this has really got quite a lot to actually say for itself. And you know, I'd be the first to say, yeah, there isn't a lot of room in it, but you can park this thing anywhere. This is, well, anyway, sorry, I'm exaggerating a bit now. I'm being used to with larger vehicles. It'll find it much easier to park than many other vehicles, put it that way. In the rear as well, you notice storage down here, and on the left side we've got the gas cupboards. Actually, keep the gas cylinders in there, so you get 2 gas cylinders. The bed here will move up, so this will come up like that, gives you more space inside. You can put these the mattresses to one side, and then you can use this for transporting larger things. And so, okay, so it's a tiny camper. It's quite complete. It's also got a fly net in the door. So there you go. It's also so you can get climate control as well, but that's an option. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you found that interesting, and all the best from me in Stuttgart.